Okay, let me show you how to create a basic spiral. Okay, let me give you that. This will serve as our guide to create a spiral. All you need to do is ask your helper to hold this end and wrap this around like this and like so. One more, and that's it. All you need to do is inflate the whole balloon. Don't move, please. And instantly, we have a spiral here. Okay, so that is the best way to create a spiral using this. Even your helper's arm will do. Just wrap it around on his arm. You can easily create a spiral like this. Okay, thank you so much.